Start with your logo file in PNG, SVG, or vector format. Upload it now. Open Gemini AI Nano Banana and choose Map Logo to Drones. Watch Gemini analyze shapes and convert them into precise drone points. Set drone count, spacing, and flight layers. Gemini auto-optimizes positions. Export precise GPS and altitude coordinates ready for simulation and deployment. Load the data into the 3D simulator and hit run for an instant preview. Run collision checks and energy estimates. Gemini flags any issues instantly. Tweak timing, colors, and choreography until the preview looks flawless. Send the finalized show package wirelessly to your drone controller or cloud. At dusk, launch the swarm from mapped launch points as the sky dims. Watch the fleet assemble and form your logo in precise, glowing pixels. Ready to amaze? Try Gemini AI Nano Banana today. Sign up for a demo and light up the sky.